Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will walk you through the complete step-by-step process to download and install a Java development kit, that is a JDK on your system. So by the end of this video, you will have a Java fully set up and ready to use. Let's get started. So before installing, let's check if Java is already on your machine or not. For that, open PowerShell or command prompt. So I have a command prompt here. To check whether Java installed or not, you have to type Java hyphen version. So you can see here Java is not installed in this system. So let's start installing. So for downloading JDK, you have to visit Oracle Java page. So just type Oracle Java, then click on Java downloads. So it will take you to the JDK installation or download a page. You have certain options here like JDK 24, 21 and all. So I will install JDK 21 in this video. Click on JDK 21. So you have OS here, Linux, macOS and Windows. I will be installing in Windows system. And we have three options: a compressed archive installer and MSI installer. So we have a couple of options here like you can install it through installer or MSI or compressed archive. So let me download installer now. So I already downloaded. You have to click on this link, so it will download into your system. Then installing the downloaded version, like you'll be having or move to the downloaded path or locate the downloaded.exe file and double click on it. So it will give a wizard here. So just need to follow the steps. You'll get a pop-up here. Again, there is a series of steps you need to follow. It's a simple step. So preparing to install, then this wizard will guide you through the installation process for a Java SE development kit. Just click on next and keep path as is. If you want to change it, like if you wish to change the path, you can change it through a change option. I will keep as is. Next. It will take some time to install. So once it is installed, you can go to the path and get the path. So let's wait for some time and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, installation is complete. Close. So then move to the installation path. So it's on C, program files, Java, and JDK 21 bin. So copy this path. We have to configure it in system properties like environment variable. So for that, click on start, search for environment variable. Click on environment variables. Under system variable, under path, add new, copy the path. Okay. You can also add a Java home. For that clear bin, it just till JDK version is enough. Okay. Okay. So now the setup or environment variable is done. Let's check whether it's installed or not. Let me open it again. Yeah, you can see Java is installed with a version 21. So this is the step-by-step installation for JDK in your system. Thanks for watching.